this is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 71 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at how to use volume to get better trades. I know there's a lot of comments around how we can't get true volume in Forex. However, there is a way to use volumes to make our entries and exits better. So let's take a look at our charts and we will see where we can enter a trade, how to qualify a trade based on this trade setup, and how do we exit the trade with a profit. Let's look at how to use volume with the price to trade Forex. This is Euro US dollar 1 hour chart, and what we see here is that the price has been going down and it hits this important support and resistance level, and for many hours here price hasn't been able to break this level. So the way we would combine our price with the volume is this. As you can see, as the price is coming down, we see that the volume has been very low here, and as the price is coming down, this is red volume, which means it's selling volume here. And as price hits this level here, the volume is very low, and as price starts to move up higher, see this volume changes as well. So the volume goes up as well as it changes color. So here, first thing we need to look for is the disparity between what the price is doing and what the volume is doing. And once the volume changes color and we see a bar in that direction, so let's say we are seeing green volume and we see a green bar, that is a confirmation. We do want to pay attention that we are taking entries at strong support and resistance levels, and we are keeping the rest of the price analysis in view while we are using volume. Volume is not a standalone tool. I use volume with my price action as well. So as we can see from price action viewpoint here, we have hit an important support level and the price hasn't broken below this level. Now we are starting to see green bars here. Price comes and tries this level once again and fails to do that. Once price fails to break through this level from price action perspective, that is a good place to enter the trade. And we can see here we have buying volume come in. So once we see this confluence of multiple things, support and resistance, price action, as well as the volume, this is a good place to take our entry. We enter the trade here, and as we can see, price starts to move up, so we stay with it. As you can see here, volume does go up and down, but it is for the most part green. It does go to neutral a few times here. There's neutral volume. Neutral volume really means there's really no one winning between buyers and sellers. And here, as long as the volume stays green, we are good. And once the volume starts to change color here, we also see that we have a reversal pattern, the railroad reversal pattern here, as well as we have hit this 107 level. And from price action perspective, price is not going up higher, so we see a rejection here because we have railroad reversal, which is a reversal signal. So combining the reversal signal with the volume here gives us a confluence or confirmation that this may be a good point to exit the trade. So from entry to exit here, we have 160 pips in the trade, or $1,600 if trading one standard lot. So just to recap here, volume is a good tool to use with our price action. Once we see a confluence between a price, what the price is doing, our technical analysis, as well as buying volume coming in here. So this is a good place to enter the trade, and we stay with the trade for as long as the price is moving higher, as well as we see that the volume is all green. Once the price starts to show signs of weakness here and we come into important support and resistance area, as well as we can see the volume has changed color here, that's the place to exit. From entry to exit here, we have 160 pips in the trade, or $1,600 when trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, it's a pleasure sharing these trade setups with you. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll be back with another great trade setup in the next episode.